Hello, um, welcome to another episode of Crypto with Advance. So today we're going to look into BTC. Okay, guys, for me this is my trade line. I use a monitoring BTC, and if you can see, BTC is having a tough time getting into this particular uh, line right here. Okay, okay. BTC is finding it difficult. We've tried once, we tried twice. So this is directly telling us we're having a double top right here. Okay. So guys, we're looking for this particular seller right now. Um, it's looking bearish, guys. This particular break was supposed to break inside somewhere here, then retrace back. Maybe use this particular place as a support line. But you can see we've not done that yet. Okay, so I'm thinking, I think if BTC couldn't break into this, let's say, this particular 49 to 50K, then I think for me, my support line on BTC will be looking at BTC, let's say, around this 19K area. That is where looking at we're going to fall through, like this 19K. So my target, if BTC refused to break into this particular support yellow line, so I think we'll be seeing BTC. Um, I guess we can see BTC goes into 9K into into $19,870 because that's where I can find where BTC support is, and you can see originally that's where all this particular move started. So mostly if you look at Andrew Law, we're gonna come back to where we started from. Okay, so that's where I'm just looking at that. We're looking back at 19,000, not even 20 something K, because we're going to fall really hard down to this side, to this 19K before we know, okay, we've successfully completed this move. So I'm expecting BTC to land at 19K or like 23,000. That would be still fine. So the two target for BTC I'm looking at is either around 24K to 19K, guys. So that's what we're looking at. So for me, I only buy BTC if BTC can close above this line, not just close. It has to uh, break, like it has to break, then retrace back into this line. Then you have to it has to go above this particular high. If it doesn't, that means we're coming to retest this particular line or fall below it again. So guys, for me, I'm not going into BTC because at the moment there's no momentum in BTC. BTC is very low. So for me, is that BTC get on board this particular line and closes on this line, um, or we expect this BTC to come to 24 to also 19K. So those are my two particular price target for BTC. It's either I climb or we buy it here. Okay, so it's very simple. You don't have to hurry to buy. You don't have to hurry to buy or to buy. Okay, because my trend line, this particular trend line is um my buy signal, and you can see BTC have been struggling for the past. Sorry guys, this is weekly time frame. You'll be still be struggling for the past how many weeks now to get into this particular place for the past 56 days. Okay, we've not been able to break into the zone. So I'm saying that BTC is coming, but maybe we might break to this particular zone again, like touch this particular line, okay, break into it gradually, then maybe retrace back to this particular 19 or 24K. But whatever the side moves, we're waiting. This is my buy signal. It has to close, and so seeing it hitting back this particular 69K, then we retrace back into this particular zone and go up. The way this is looking, I think this is the best area to buy. 24 to 19K. That's how where I'm looking BTC. This area, these two targets. Okay, that's what I'm looking BTC to get into because it's looking very weak. Okay, thank you guys. Please, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own research, guys. Thank you very much.